beach. Some blokes having a bit of smoko. And here's our car halfway down the fucking steps. Look at that beautiful, beautiful day at the beach. And there's our car. Here it is again for the other angle. Hey, let's go for a relaxing day at the beach. I know, I'll just drive the car down the steps. How's that sound? Beautiful bend along. Ample parking. Beautiful bend along. Waves. The beach. Oh, look at the forest. The forest is so beautiful. Just hang on, what is that? Isn't that our car? Halfway down the steps. Lonely car. Really done a good job on it now. Fuck, she's really fucked that front end. Yeah, now I can see some real damage. That whole front end is that's the front end of our car. It's squashed. It's going to be hard to drive home. What happened about an hour ago now. Getting blasted by the wind up here, and still waiting for the tow truck to turn up. The fire department's turned up to secure the thing. I mean, it's just been bizarre, really. The cops, there's no cops. There's the car going up. There's the boys. They think this is fantastic. The best thing they've ever seen. What do you think of the newly modelled car? It's great, isn't it? Yeah, I know. And a few other things. Hang on. Over here, speaking of handles, Anna's handiwork. Anna's gift to the Bendalong Shire. Isn't there some law about complimenting a policeman on his age? Isn't that bribery or something? There's got to be legislation against that somewhere. It's got to.